Hey guys, it's Tepco Cycle Repair. Today we're going to be working on an XT225 and we're going to be putting on some new brake pads. It's really quick and easy. I just wanted to run over this so you guys can swap those brake pads out and keep your ride safe. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, first off we got two 10mm bolts right here and here. These are the two pins that the caliper pivots on. So let's get these off. Alright, make sure you have a little bit of grease on these when you put them back in. Helps the caliper slide. Then we're just going to pull the caliper off here. Now when we pull this off, it's going to come off with the pistons. Alright, that we need to compress, and I'll show you how to do that quickly. Let's get these pads out. These pads just sit in there. There's two little metal clips in the top and bottom. So let's go ahead and get these out. Just try to get behind them, just be gentle with it and just work them out. There's one. You got the disc there. Don't be stupid. Don't be prying crazy on the disc. Just enough pressure to get them out. All right. So here's our two pads right here. Now the best way to do the or the quickest and easiest way is to just drop the pads back into the caliper. All right. Take a screwdriver. Stick it between them. The two pads, because we're not reusing these pads, they're worn out, and just take the screwdriver and just twist the screwdriver and it'll push the pistons back in. Steady pressure on them and they'll go back. Get in there. Alright, you can see the pistons are almost all the way back in. Get back in as far as you can. Give you the most amount of room. Alright, take your new pads here. Alright, the customer supplied pads. So I'm just going to put these back on. You got those clips in there, so just slide them in the clips. Clips are a bit like they're spring loaded, so sometimes you just gotta push them in and get them in there. All right, so now we got our two pads back in place, caliper back in place there. Gonna put our two pins back in. There's one, two. All right, I'm gonna torque those back on. Now before you give it back to the customer, make sure those bolts are torqued on, and also go up and pump on the front brake to get pressure built up. And there we go. Pressure's built back up in the pads. Torque these down, and we're good to go. That's a quick and easy front brake job on your bike. Sometimes you'll, if you leak fork fluid and stuff on your pads, they're going to get glazed. When you fix your fork seals, go ahead and put new brake pads on so you can get that all done. Alright guys, so that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple. You know, get them done, keep your brakes safe. You know I'm a big front brake fan, so that's all I got for now guys. I'm going to be doing a couple videos on this bike, XT225, so if you got some things you want to learn on it, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and see you on the next one. It's Tepco Cycle Repair.